Good day, viewers. Walter here. Came out to water my tomatoes. You're looking at my sad old air conditioner, condenser unit for my air conditioner. It's been here since I built the house in 1985. We've had it serviced a couple times, but it's played its last tune. It gave out on us this year, so for the last month or so of this warm weather, the wife and I have been suffering. Saturday morning, it's going to disappear, and it'll magically be a new air conditioner. Now, I installed this one myself, personally, but I'm not able anymore, so contractors are going to do it. It's sitting on a cement foundation that used to be a signal pole stand. This solid cement weighs about, I don't know, a couple thousand pounds. I put it here with a boom of a railroad truck. Anyway, it's going to disappear and it'll magically be a new one here. That means I'm probably not going to video my crew putting it in, but we'll show it to you when it gets going. I think I got a couple squashes I might can pick. We'll jump on that in a minute. This time it's going to be reinstalled by magic. There you go. Wasn't that something? Got us a ream this time, a 4-ton instead of a 3-ton. Ain't that something pretty? We got the complete system with the new furnace and everything. She's ready to rock and roll, son. Anyway, now I got to get some dirt hauled around here and where all the dirt's washed away. Anyway, I wanted to show you my magic air conditioner replacement.